What a beautiful day to drive, especially in this 2025 Ford F-150 XLT with Oxford white exterior, black sport cloth interior, seating for 5 with 4 doors. It has a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Desirable features include XLT black appearance package, dual climate control, lane keep assist, and more features to see. If you like this vehicle and would like to book it for a test drive, please join our website island4.ca. We'll be so happy to have you here. Now let's take a look under the hood, in and outside the vehicle. It's a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's take a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, a grab handle in the body. Your driver's seat is powered with power lumbar, all-weather mat on the floor with the F-150 badging, your auto start, light controls, and electronic parking brake. Sliding into the vehicle to start it, keys in the pocket, push the brake and press the start button. On the face of your steering wheel, dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, lane keep assist, and your hands-free dialing. Your dash shows your odometer reading, important messages, and vital vehicle information. The center stack features a touch screen with your FordPass Connect system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and more, as well as navigation, AM/FM satellite radio. And you can take a look at your backup camera as well. It's a 360-degree camera, making sure you see all angles of the vehicle. Now we gotta put it back in parking. To the left, your Pro Trailer Backup Assist, your integrated trailer brake control and drive modes, your volume and tuner, traction control, hazard light, and camera. Now you're gonna have a front view of it. Your dual climate control system with heated front seats, air conditioning, and other features. USB and USB-C charging port. Your gear shift dial that can be folded down when you're done driving or folded up when you want to drive, 2 cup holders, a console with storage below and USB-C charging ports, a 12 and 120 volts outlets, 2 glove compartments, your sun visors, sunglass holder, and light controls. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, running boards, body color door handles with intelligent access, privacy glass at the back windows, a capless easy fuel filler on the driver's side. In the rear, clearance light, your backup camera is above the Ford badging, trailer tow hitch, sensors on the back bumper. To open your tailgate, just press 2 times the button on your key fob, hit it with opens it for you. You access the cargo area with ample of space for your storage needs, tie downs in all 4 corners, and when you're done, just put it up, close it, and you're ready to go to your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, power windows for added convenience, a grab handle in the body. The seating is for 360/40 split, which means you can maximize your in-cabin storage by folding your seats up. To do so, just fold your seat up, and when you're done, pull the tab and fold your seat down. Anchors to tether baby seat, all-weather mat on the floor, as well as extra carpeted mats, slim pockets behind the front seats, 2 cup holders, air vents, USB-C charging ports, 120 volt outlet, a grab handle behind the driver's seat, dome lights and hooks, and a power rear window. Backup camera in the rear, mud flaps, sun visors, privacy glass at the back windows, black adjustable side view mirrors with integrated signal, blind spot monitoring and a camera, LED headlights and fog lights, tow hooks, sensors on the front bumper, and more features to see. If you like this video, please subscribe and join us at island4.ca. We have plenty to show you and we'd love to hear your comments.